Hello everyone, this is Hesha Chima and joining me for a conversation today is the cast of something that I have been lucky and privileged to watch क्योंकि मैं journalist हूँ और मुझे screeners मिल गए हैं दुबई आके तो मैंने show देख लिया and I can happily sit here and say that thank you. I had a lot of fun watching this show.
Thank you.
सबसे best चीज़ मुझे ये लगी है कि I'm such an urban girl तो to watch a show जिनके actually urban problems हैं कहीं ना कहीं but काफी rural way में निकल रहे हैं was like a vibe. And compliment that all of you all have gotten your dialect very well, हाँ तो high five on the show. So मैं चालू करने वाली हूँ with like a fun question for all of you all.
Thank you.
So go back to your character. Like thank you. Okay. Alright. So remember your characters. ठीक है?
Okay.
From your characters, if each of your characters actually, you know, आपके village में शायद आपके पास Instagram होता, आपके पास तो है. If your character had like an Instagram account. What would the bio read of your accounts? So you all have to give me a bio for your character. You go first.
हम बनेंगे सुपरस्टार.
मेरे पास आपके लिए एक और है.
बोलो ना.
From reels to show reel.
Woo.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey Sha.
I don't. Okay, Bhuvan, come on for your character. चलो.
In love with Rosni today and forever.
आए. यहाँ पे कोई अमावस नहीं है.
चांद ही चांद है.
चांद ही चांद. Love it. Nice. You all are quite prepared, huh, for this. Okay, रेणुका जी आपके लिए, आपके character के लिए.
I'm a punch with the best punchlines.
Wow, I love it. Shivani, for you.
Born
Wow.
to be a queen.
Oh my. Thank God you didn't say born to get married.
No, but getting married is a part of actually basically it's
Achieving
for
the
something
dream,
else.
yeah.
The real dream.
The real dream. Lovely. गजराज सर आपके
अरुणा
लिए.
साहब
अरे सर. सर.
बता हेल्प करना नहीं समझ में आ रहा.
गजराज जी आपको
जहाँ है तो वाह है.
Oh,
जहाँ तो वाह है.
nice. चलो ठीक है. You all did very well in this one. But tell me something. You know, I want to start this with you, Shivani. ठीक है. Like for me today, sitting in Bombay, it's very easy कि I'm wearing a dress and I'm going out. Like it's not a luxury for me. But there's a scene in one of the episodes where for a girl like you, basically your character, if she's wearing a dress, like that's like a wow moment for her, right? Like did you relate? Not relate? Like what was your vibe like? Because you're such an urban girl yourself, right?
Yeah. So basically, not whenever you play a part, ना, you don't relate to that one particular thing. But हम सबके life में ना वो कुछ moments होते हैं जो like I always wanted to watch myself on a big screen. So I know how it felt. So you can always tap into that part and feel it. So and I've seen enough women around me. Like I still remember Delhi is the way Delhi is.
Yeah.
A lot of girls who were coming to the college were not allowed to wear the dresses and take buses or metros because they were not comfortable. But everybody wanted to, like once in a while, if there's a college fest, so they would come, they would buy the dresses, they would keep it in their bags, and we will all go and get dressed up. So we know we have done it, not exactly the way Roshni is doing it. But yes, I think वो थोड़ा relatability है. I've seen women, the moment they get into those dresses, they would be so excited that we are feeling free.
That used to happen with some people in college. जिनको घर पे rules होते हैं ना, you can't wear short clothes and everything, and then once you come to college, you change in the washroom. That's what happens. So I'm trying to see how urban people can also relate to this show because it did have so much for it. गजराज जी मैंने आपको बाहर भी बोला है and I'm going to tell you here also that I loved the fact that आप इतने प्यारे पापा हो. Like आपने इतना पापास play कर लिया. Now I can't decide which is a better papa. Like in your character. But it's true. Like what do I say? But you tell me if I were to ask you, ये पापा बाकी सारे पापाओं से स्पेशल क्यों है?
अर्बन नहीं, अर्बन मिलियो में नहीं है, देहात में है और ऐसे गांव में है जहां पर 25 साल से क्राइम नहीं हुआ है. तो ट्रेजेक्ट्री अलग किस्म का है यहाँ पर.
इसीलिए आप बेस्ट पापा.
Can I answer this question?
Go for it.
क्योंकि ये पापा छोटे मतलब ये गांव से आते हैं फिर भी ये बहुत प्रोग्रेसिव पापा हैं. इनका राजा बेटा नहीं है, इनकी रानी बेटी है, which is a very beautiful.
Yes.
And he also knew about the. I don't want to give any spoilers. Let's talk later. Okay, I'm going to spice this up a little for all of you all. ठीक है, मैं आप लोग को यहाँ पे ना bikes के नाम देने वाली हूँ, bikes, scooties, etc. And you all have to tell me from your character who can be what potentially. ठीक है? So let's do this.
Is a bike or a scooty?
It's a mix. So it's basically a दुपहिया. ठीक है, मैं जो भी नाम ले रही हूँ सारे दुपहिया होने वाले हैं. आपको decide करना है किसका character क्या है. ठीक है? Switch it between real people also, no problem. Like since you all know each other personally also as co-actors. ठीक है. So the question is, if your co-actors were two-wheeler brands, who would they be? So the first one is the fancy Vespa, matlab stylish but expensive.
Renuka Shahane ji.
Whoa. Okay. Okay. Y'all can all pitch in and vote.
I
Good.
think Shivani.
Okay.
Since she's very Vespa kind and she wants to be very Vespa kind. She doesn't want like a regular Activa or something like that. She's
the
like
Vespa.
cool and jazzy.
पर
Okay.
ब्रांड नेम ले सकते हैं हम क्या?
हाँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ ना,
वो
मैं तो ले ही रही हूँ। मैं ले रही हूँ। इनुका जी आप बताइए, do you take the title or do you pass it to Shivani?
We can both share it.
Yeah.
Right.
Why not?
Fine.
Rightfully so.
Okay. And Gajraj ji, what do you think? Who is the fancy Vespa? Stylish but expensive.
अरोड़ा साहब
आप मेरे
मैं तो कह
इंटरव्यू
रही
सारे
हूँ
इनसे आंसर
अब
दिलवाइए।
रेणुका जी
ठीक है, रेणुका जी।
वो
ओके।
एक फिल्म नहीं थी जिसमें वो कहता है डेलनास ने क्या बोला?
डेल्लास ने बोला आंखें तो वो बोलता है डेल्लास ने बोला तो बोला अरोड़ा साहब ने बोला तो बोला
तो अभी आपके क्वेश्चन आप ही दे देंगे। ओके चलो नेक्स्ट। ओके नाउ वील स्टार्ट विद यू गजराज जी। ओके द बुलेट, लाउड एंड अनस्टॉपेबल।
अरोड़ा साहब
ओके
Yeah.
शिवानी।
I think I can't decide between both the boys.
I think Sparsh's
No, I'll be-
character in Dupaiya
Yeah.
would be
But
that.
see, Bullet have a very like a very masculine feeling to it. I'll be like a sports bike.
No, you both are but you both are very powerful as performers.
As performers,
also. So
yes,
yes,
okay.
I think both.
yeah.
Both.
Okay.
और आवाज भी बहुत करते हो, so it doesn't.
Ma'am,
That's
Wow.
Renuka ji is like
no, I love it. Love it.
loud and unstoppable में that's
She's
it.
very good.
Bullet. Okay cool. Y'all are taking it?
It's
Happily?
not
No, I
it's
give
not
it to
bullet.
Bhuvan. I give it to Bhuvan.
It's not you pronunciation is bolt.
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 Okay bolt. Fine.
Yeah,
Bolt.
I'm like a bolt.
Okay done.
He's
Okay.
built like a bull.
Bolt.
Made to
Okay.
trust.
Thanks guys. The next one. Okay, the Scooty Pep, small but full of attitude.
I think that's Shivani.
शिवानी
Shivani.
Okay.
She's taking it. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. The rickety old bicycle, always struggling to keep up.
me
You on purpose have added that. You on purpose have added that, but I don't agree, man.
But
No,
no,
even I
He's
don't
like a new
actually
age
agree.
BMW
Yeah.
bicycle.
No, but
Oh, ठीक
no,
है.
but he tries to keep it up.
Yeah, I would say Yashpal ji on that.
हाँ, rickety
Yeah.
नहीं है ये.
Rickety
नहीं.
तो नहीं है
Definitely
हमारे
rickety
Not at
नहीं
all.
है.
तो ठीक है कोई और ले लो।
हाँ
हाँ,
यशपाल जी मैं
यशपाल
तो
जी,
यशपाल जी
ठीक है चलेगा। तो शो में तो सभी लोग हैं।
हाँ,
We can take that. अच्छा ठीक है now another one I'm shifting this up ठीक है। If your co-stars were traffic signals ठीक है।
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, so who would be what? The green light, always ready to go. मतलब सब always charged up.
Bhugol, I think.
Google.
Yeah, I think Bhugol. Bhugol.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Red light, always slowing down the shoot.
The shoot. That's
मतलब
cruel.
लेट आए या लाइन भूल गए कुछ भी और एनीथिंग एल्स।
ऐसा तो कोई नहीं कहता शायद.
यहाँ तो कोई नहीं है.
रेड फ्लैग्स थे रेड लाइट्स तो नहीं थी.
या maybe the characters could be red flags. ठीक
Yeah.
है, we'll go with that answer.
Yeah.
Okay, blinking yellow, confused about life.
Blinking yellow, confused about life.
I think nobody's confused
everyone
strangely
is
on
really
this
clear
set.
with
Now
their
when you're
motives.
saying everybody
Characters.
Maybe
Characters.
Komal, हाँ,
Komal
Komal.
character.
Komal.
Yes,
My
yes.
daughter.
Yeah.
Komal's character, correct.
Okay. And who in the cast would 100% fail a riding test?
Tipu.
Tipu.
No, I am taking it.
Yeah.
You're taking
ठीक
it?
है.
100%.
fine.
You and Tipu then.
Both. Yeah.
चलो.
कहाँ
not
रखे
bad.
थे इतने सारे awards.
Yeah, if there was an award, she was winning
I mean
it right
like
now.
there's a totally
Yeah.
a new
She's
shelf
a
on the
queen
way.
for-
Totally. But you know, when I was also watching Dupaiya, I felt that this was like a bike heist, right? Just a money
Yeah.
heist hota hai, it's like a
Yeah.
bike heist
It is.
happening.
Right.
It is, it pretty much
Yeah.
is. Obviously,
It
the
is,
ones
yeah.
who've not seen it, they'll watch it, they'll know. But tell me something, if in the cast, let's say, who is the mastermind? If सच में अगर bike चुराई गई थी, if it could be from all 5 of you all sitting over here, who would be the mastermind? Who would get caught first and who would accidentally confess it कि ये मैंने किया है?
Ah.
Oh.
The
Very
mastermind.
intelligent.
I think Papa ji would be the mastermind. I have
नहीं ऐसे सोचो सच में आप लोग ने चुरा ली मस्ती में एक दिन सेट पे
Gajraj sir
तो
would be the
कौन करता?
mastermind.
वो चुरा लेते
अगर वो चुरा लेते तो आपको पता नहीं चलता that उन्होंने चुराई है. He makes sure that. तो he would be the mastermind.
Definitely.
अभी बोल रहा है तो मैं क्या ठीक है.
And then who
नहीं, I think ma'am.
Renuka ma'am.
Because आप उन पे शक ही नहीं करोगे. So I think
So there's a mastermind.
Yeah.
There's somebody basically who gets caught first, and the last one is will accidentally confess it
I
that
think
they've
I
done
will
it.
get Caught first.
Caught first, and Tipu will confess
Yeah.
accidentally.
Another guy called Samarth who's playing Tipu.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
must have
I've seen the
Tipu.
show.
Yeah, you've seen the
Yeah,
show,
so
correct.
I'm
My bad.
very.
Yeah.
मैंने देखा है.
My
वो
bad.
ट्रेलर में भी है वो
ट्रेलर में
ट्रेलर में भी है।
मुंबई क्या करने जाते हैं
मुंबई क्या करना था?
अच्छा बता
नहीं,
रहे हैं, ठीक
जितना
है, चलो.
एरिया में हम लोग यहाँ रह
जितना
चा-
एरिया
हग
में
देते
हम
हैं।
लोग 4 बार हग
हग
देते हैं
देते हैं,
उतना
उतना
एरिया
एरिया
में
में-
वहाँ 4 लोग रहता है.
करेक्ट सर.
Fab, but that's very relatable for people who actually come and struggle and have like a
Absolutely.
struggling
Yeah,
life in
yeah,
Bombay,
it's
and
true.
Yeah.
it's true. मतलब बड़े-बड़े घर के बाद जब हम छोटे कमरों में आते हैं, it is problematic. But ठीक है, we're all here for our dreams.
Yeah.
But tell me something. If you guys were actually living, let's say in Dharakpur, ठीक है? What's the one city habit that you all would struggle to give up? इनमें से एक है Wi-Fi, दूसरा ऑप्शन है food delivery और तीसरा है air conditioning.
I can give up on 3 of them.
All three of them.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi also you can give up on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
But
not
your
a- I'm
character,
not a
how
phone
will
buff.
he give up on
As
Wi-Fi?
character or
No,
as
no,
person?
now this is real.
No, as a
Yeah,
person.
if you all actually were living in Dharakpur,
I
let's
can
No,
give up on
actually,
3 of them
yeah.
actually.
you
I
give
don't think
up
so. I
Wi-Fi.
can give up on food delivery. Yeah, I'm a foodie.
No.
Yeah.
So you'd keep ordering.
Yeah,
I'll
मतलब
keep-
वो
yeah.
उगा लेंगे खेत
To
से ले
order
आएंगे,
food, I will
that's
need
it.
Wi-Fi.
Correct.
That's true. So you can't give up on Wi-Fi either.
Wi-Fi as well. And third is what? And it's best to eat food in air conditioner.
Yeah. So you are not giving up on
none,
anything.
None.
Fab. Renuka ji.
I can give up everything because I've lived a life without all these three. So it's very easy
Okay.
for me to
For
give
you to
it
give it
up.
up. And Shivani, what about you?
I would also give up everything, but if like I have to pick one, then I would still want to keep the Wi-Fi just to be updated, but rest is fine.
But then how would you continue being an actor if you give up everything? Like you need khana.
But if I'm in Dharakpur, then like
you don't want to be an actor then. You want to be something else in Dharakpur.
Dharakpur, yeah.
But in Dharakpur, I would like
How
pure
will I
water.
be an actor in Dharakpur?
Pure water, I would not want to give up.
Sorry, what?
I'll have
Water.
to move to
Pure
Bombay.
water.
To
Pure
Bombay
water.
again. Pure water.
Yeah.
Gajraj ji, can you give up all three?
नहीं एसी तो चाहिए वो लगेगा और वाईफाई चाहिए नहीं तो प्राइम वीडियो कहाँ देखेंगे
ओ, 7 मार्च को दोपहिया आ रहा है ना, वो
Subtle
कैसे
promotion.
देखेंगे?
वो देखेंगे।
Love it.
फूड डिलीवरी चलेगा मेरे को उससे मेरा ज्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं
Okay.
Plug-in देखा आपने?
देखा
plug in
देख
था।
रही हूँ मैं. रेणुका जी, अगर मुझे आपसे पूछना था, of course I'm sure मेरे से पहले किसी ने तो ये आपको पूछा ही होगा, कि नहीं पूछा है तो I don't know why they haven't asked you. What's more dramatic, the stairs in हम आपके हैं कौन or the bike in दुपहिया? Be honest.
Oh wow.
Ma'am,
I
right now
think-
you're promoting दोपहिया.
Yeah,
अरे
yeah.
आंसर तो सच्चा दे
I
सकते हैं
think,
ना.
I think the scary part is the bike going because I'm still alive to deal with it.
Ah.
The
Great
staircase,
answer.
I'm dead.
Dead
Let
and
other
dead.
people deal with it.
Wow.
Touche.
But do you know it's still such a relatable meme? Like even today,
yeah.
I feel if you've arrived on memes, I feel you've arrived like in life in general, because that's the culture we're living in right now.
Yeah.
Till today, that's like a very valid meme. We talk about it amongst our friends also. That अगर तुम थोड़ा सा भी trip हो जाते हैं, I'm like, oh, you just had a Renuka moment. We do this all the time. Did you ever think of it when you were doing it like this? And
Not
now
at
when you
all.
look at it, how do you relate?
Not at all. And it's now become so much part of me that I really get scared of stairs. इतना लोगों ने बोला है ना कि पूजा and stairs. I'm like, please, यार.
I think this
Lift
is the
ले लो.
this is the maximum typecast that an actor could have ever
Totally.
gotten because of this stairs.
I'm a staircase.
Your staircase, for sure. But lastly, before I let you all go, my time's up. I can see her doing this to me. I want each one of you all, okay, to give me like a one-liner about Dupahiya and why Dupahiya is special and make it different. Okay?
Oh my God.
Gajraj ji, since you're not talking only in my interview, so now be happy.
Don't
Arora
point to Arora ji.
अरोड़ा साहब,
Ne 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 ne. Ne 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 ne.
फिर से बोलो
ठीक है, मैं फिर से बोलती हूँ. You have to give me one line for Dupahiya, ठीक है, as to why Dupahiya is an interesting watch for everybody, like a tagline.
क्योंकि सपनों का चक्का जाम हो जाता है यहाँ पे इसलिए ये देखना जरूरी है
Okay.
Okay.
ठीक है. शिवानी.
I think ऐसा शो इतना इंटरेस्टिंग फनी शो मुझे नहीं लगता पिछले 2-3 साल में मैंने देखा है. So I think if you want to do a favor on yourself, you should and you must.
Ooh, sass. I like it. Renuka ji.
From babies to 100-year-olds can see it together. So it's a big Hum Aapke Hain Kaun family.
Oh, nice. Okay, go for it.
If you have aspirations, Dupahiya is the show for you. I think it's a show full of aspirations, and if you value relationships, I feel this is the show for you, because it's not just about the heist and it's not just about the bike. I think that's the plot line of it. But in one line, Dupahiya is joy. If you need joy, watch Dupahiya.
Okay. Sparsh.
अगर आप दुखी हैं, परेशान हैं और बहुत दिनों से हंसे नहीं हैं, तो दुपहिया आ रहा है 7 मार्च को Amazon Prime पे। सह परिवार देखिए।
It's a great ride.
It's a great
It's a great ride.
Yeah. I mean, I just want to ask this in retrospect. Is it easier to put out messages that are like really hard hitting and relatable, probably through comedy? Is that easier? Does that make life easier?
In fact,
to
it's
convey
more
a message?
difficult, I feel like that.
Okay.
Because you always have the
Yeah.
fear of ridiculing something which is of value, which is something, you know, a sensitive topic can be ridiculed if you want to hide it behind humor.
Yeah.
But we don't do that.
No.
Our writers have depicted it very beautifully. So
Beautiful,
the way
yeah.
it's been dealt with, I feel it's a more difficult job.
Yeah.
Than like putting it out
Yeah.
easily. But I think it
Yeah.
connects easier. Like for example, there's a whole fairness aspect to it. Like skin coloring is an issue. There's obviously dowry that we're talking about. Stealing, so many aspects. It's not just one thing that you're targeting, right? In that way, do you feel कि audience ज़्यादा connect करते हैं जब you know
That's
things
what.
like these are probably dealt with a lighter thing या फिर अगर आप hard hitting जाओ और बोले ये problem है.
Yeah,
Do
there
you
are
feel
two
that?
ways of doing it. Sometimes hard hitting works very well. It stays with you for a longer period of time, perhaps. But sometimes there are some things that can be only said through in a lighter vein, which will make it more palatable for people to kind of really introspect. So मुझे लगता है कि it's a very tricky balance. You know, both are valid as ways of putting out messaging. But to do it through a comedy is very difficult because you have to always not be preachy.
Right.
Suddenly, then the tone changes.
Right.
But we can't do that in a comedy, and I think the writers have managed that so beautifully in Dupahiya.
Super. Thank you so much. That's my time. I had a great ride chatting and watching the show as well. I hope everybody enjoys it as well. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Done.